Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Title: The Magical Key. Once upon a time in a small, quiet village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her curious nature and her love for adventure. She spent most of her days exploring the woods near her home, hoping to discover something extraordinary. One sunny morning, while wandering deep into the forest, Lily stumbled upon an old, gnarled tree. Its twisted branches seemed to reach out to her, and at the base of the tree, she spotted a key half buried in the earth. The key was unlike any she had ever seen. It was made of pure gold, with intricate engravings of magical symbols. Lily's heart raced with excitement as she picked up the key. She knew this was no ordinary find. Clutching it tightly in her hand, she hurried back to her village to show it to her family and friends. News of Lily's discovery spread quickly through the village, and soon everyone came to see the mysterious golden key. Some said it was a key to hidden treasures, while others believed it was the key to an enchanted kingdom deep within the forest. Lily's head was filled with dreams of grand adventures and endless possibilities. That night, unable to sleep from the excitement, Lily decided to embark on a journey to find out the key's true purpose. With the key hanging from a chain around her neck, she sneaked out of her house and ventured back into the dark forest, guided only by the soft glow of the moon. As she journeyed deeper into the woods, the forest became more enchanting. Fireflies danced around her, and the trees whispered secrets she couldn't quite understand. Finally, she reached a clearing bathed in moonlight, and there stood a massive, ancient door. It was the kind of door you'd expect to find in a fairy tale. Lily approached the door, her heart pounding. With trembling hands, she inserted the golden key into the lock. The moment the key turned, the door creaked open, revealing a breathtaking sight. Before her stretched a land filled with colorful flowers, talking animals, and magical creatures of all shapes and sizes. Lily had stumbled upon the enchanted kingdom that had long been hidden from the world. She was greeted by a wise old owl who explained that the key was a gift from the forest itself, meant for someone with a pure heart and an adventurous spirit. Over the next few weeks, Lily explored the magical kingdom, befriending creatures like talking rabbits, playful pixies, and even a gentle dragon who loved to tell stories. She learned about the magic of the land, how to communicate with animals, and the importance of living in harmony with nature. But as the days passed, Lily started to miss her family and friends back in the village. She realized that while the enchanted kingdom was a wondrous place, her heart belonged to her home. So, with a heavy heart, she said her goodbyes and returned to the village, taking with her the lessons and memories of her incredible adventure. Back in the village, Lily shared her tales of the enchanted kingdom with her loved ones. She told them of the magic of the forest, the kindness of its creatures, and the importance of cherishing the world around them. Inspired by her stories, the villagers began to appreciate the beauty of their own surroundings and work together to protect the natural world. And so, the magical key that had brought Lily on an extraordinary adventure also brought about positive change in her village. Lily learned that while the world is full of enchantment, sometimes the most magical things of all are the love and care we show to our own world and the people in it. From that day on, Lily knew that her heart could always find adventure, whether in an enchanted kingdom or in the loving embrace of her family and friends. And she carried the lessons of her journey with her, reminding everyone that the real magic is in the everyday wonders of